Hi aspirants, welcome back to my channel Aspirants Hub. So today's video we have current affair, word of the day and formula of the day. So let's get into this video. The first question is, India has been selected as which member recently and when was this election done? The answer is non-permanent member of United Nations Security Council. The election was done on June 17, 2020. The fact here is India has won by 184 votes in 193 member General Assembly. Along with India, Ireland, Mexico, Norway also won the Security Council election. Next question. Which island are set to go green with state-run power generator? Name the power generator here. Answer is Andaman and Nicobar Island. The power generator is NTPC Limited. The fact is they are planning to build a floating micro liquefied natural gas LNG terminal. This plan is to be set up by NTPC Vidyut Vyapar Nigam NVVM, a unit of largest power generator. Next question. When was Roger Cup tournament founded and what was the name given? Answer is, they were founded on the year 1881. They were named as Canadian Championship. The fact here is, this championship is conducted every year except 1905, 1915 to 1918, that is World War I, 1941 to 1945, World War II. Next question. Where would have been the T20 World Cup going to held this year? The answer is Australia. The fact here is ICC World Cup lined up for the year 2021 and 2023. Next, abbreviation of the day. ICML, Integrated Consumer Goods Manufacturing and Logistics. It is the assurance of cost efficiency and freshness of products as it will be closer to end consumers. Next, FSUR, Floating Storage Regasification Unit. A floating storage regasification unit is a vital component required while transiting and transferring liquefied natural gas LNG through the oceanic channels. Therefore, FSRU can be termed as a special type of ship used for LNG transfer. Next, LNG, liquefied natural gas. It is a natural gas predominantly methane, that is CH4, with some mixture of ethane C2H6 that has been cooled down to liquid form for ease and safety of non-pressurized storage or transport. Next question. WMCC, Working Mechanism for Consultation and Coordination. The WMCC was established in 2012 as an institutional mechanism for consultation and coordination for management of India-China border area, as well as to exchange views on strengthening communication and cooperation, including between the border security personnel of the two sides. Next, CPIL, Center of Public Interest Litigation. The Center for Public Interest Litigation CPIL is an Indian non-governmental organization that conducts litigation on matter of public interest. The CPIL was established by late Justice V.M. Targunde, a former judge of the Supreme Court of India. Let's go to the word of the day. The word of the day today is Harang, meaning a speech addressed to a public assembly, a ranting speech or writing or lecture. This is a Middle French word as arenga as public speech. The synonym for this word is discourse, declamation, oration. Antonyms for this word is ovation, acclaim, quiet. Example is, it was evident that he was determined to make his harang on that night. Let's go to the formula of the day. Formula of the day is from profit and loss. To find the gain or loss percent, the formula is amount gained or lost divided by CP into 100. So whatever amount we have been given as gained or loss, we have to divide it by CP and then multiply it to 100. When, if given cost or loss percent and you have to find loss and SP, then multiply cost by percentage and subtract product from the cost. Thank you so much guys, this is all for today. Let me know if you like this video by liking the whole video and subscribe to my channel. Do let me know if you have any questions or queries here regarding this video. Thank you so much, have a great day. Bye.